Welcome everybody to Puddle Jumpers Fishing. It is crazy down here down south, and I'm here to answer that question. Is it better bass fishing down south? Well, I'm here driving around today and I am puddle jumping here in South Carolina, and it is nuts. There's waterways all over the place. So I'm gonna spend a couple hours today and just stop at random puddles. Let's see if we can jump into some big bass today. But here's the question for you guys. Do you guys think it's better fishing down south? Let's find out. Let's catch some big bass.